Meaning of hardscrabble.
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 Hardscrabble. The term hardscrabble refers to a situation or environment that is lacking in resources or difficult to cultivate, often resulting in a harsh way of life. The word is typically used to describe a place with poor soil quality or limited economic opportunities, such as a rural community with few job prospects. People living in hardscrabble environments often have to work hard to make ends meet and may struggle to access basic necessities. Despite the challenges, such places can also cultivate a sense of resilience and resourcefulness in those who live there.